Napanood ko si Hey Hey, puro puri eh.
Hindi ah.
Hey.
Dali lang. Umamin ka. Nandun siya eh. Nandun ako!
Nandun siya. Okay.
As a
Ganun pa siya with Torre.
Member of the intellectual community.
How did you get invited?
No, I mean,
Paano kami,
there were a
Juan?
couple
Paano
of,
naman kami?
experts.
Paano kami intellected community?
Kami mga learned. Paano
Yung
kami?
intellected, no?
Masyado
Hindi
kasi
kami
daw
imbitado,
kayo
yung
unfair.
intellected. No?
Bawal kasi daw ang hater. Ang pwede objective.
Hindi ka hater.
Or mga mga...
Bias analyst kami. Siya objective analyst.
No. Ako, again, I'll be clear. I said, I'm disappointed na hindi lumabas ng issue ng ICC at all. I'm disappointed na the impeachment issue was not mentioned at all. Even the West Philippine Sea, parang sana naman, medyo konting ganon.
Even the meeting with Trump.
Ang one percentage point, hindi na mention.
You expect a SONA that's for us. Ang impression ko sa SONA kahapon, number 1 Tagalog for the first time.
Yes.
Which was a good
Impression ko sa
decision.
SONA kahapon.
Hirap na hirap siya.
It was echoes of
Hirap na hirap
Pinoy,
siya
no?
sa Tagalog.
It's directed towards the people
masa.
who will
Yeah.
give him a good performance survey.
Yeah.
That's why it's a lot of, sabi ko nga, di ba, low-hanging fruit. Pati yung mga bawat benepisyo sa PhilHealth.
Healthcare, education,
na
Wi-Fi,
existing naman,
Libreng
ah.
Wi-Fi.
It's existing. It's in the law.
50% discount.
It's in the law.
Oh.
And it just so happens that people don't know it.
Hindi, in-expand. In-expand.
Well, it's
Halimbawa,
been expanded
dialysis,
3
yung
years
3 times
ago.
a week.
Oh,
Libre
dialysis,
naman talaga yun.
cancer.
Pati yung walang bayad sa hospital ng gobyerno.
That was 2
Libre
years
na
ago,
yun.
3 years ago.
Libre
Pero
na
yung
talaga.
DOH hospitals, for instance, that's
It-
new.
no,
That's new.
well,
Yung libre na, zero balance.
Hindi, walang bayad talaga sa...
Wala talaga.
Walang bayad sa
Huh?
gobyerno
You're saying
talaga.
No, but it was
Packaging.
never communicated. What I'm trying to say, it was never communicated before.
Which is part of branding.
Because for the last SONAs, the speech was crafted for people like you expecting West Philippine Sea and all that.
Foreign policy.
Or foreign policy,
ICC.
But you know, this
ICC
speech,
is only this year.
this speech
ICC is only
It's
this
not
year.
for you and me.
it's not for you and me. It's directed for the people who will give
No,
them a
that's what
better
I'm saying.
survey.
Ang tawag ko dyan,
Better
polite populism. That's the term some political science. In the sense that maraming gano'n, that ito,
He-
cover
he-
naman yan.
he-
Itong project
he
ko,
is the
cover naman yan.
president of
Itong
100 million
gawin namin lahat
plus
yan.
Filipinos. We have to remember that, di ba? When we listen to, he's the president of 104 million Filipinos. Our issues are not the issues of the population.
So nung sinabi niya na ibabalik ko ang budget
You're
pag
saying
hindi tugma.
ICC has nothing to do with the
Well, but
rest of the West Philippines. Has nothing to do with the rest of the population. Impeachment has to do nothing with the rest of the population.
I'll tell you,
Sisingit,
in terms of priority,
Malayo.
malayo sa sekura, yung mga gusto nyo.
Kaya nga, tama sabi ko, kaya nga
Connected.
polite populist ang tawag ko dyan. Dahil it was quite a populist thing. Lahat yan cover.
Dinig ba tayo?
But let's be honest, there was an indirect dig also at Sara in a way. Because if you look at it, 40-45% of the speech had something to do with education. The part of education, relevant to education.
I
It
don't
was a
know
way
what
of
you're
saying,
saying. I don't know
wala
what
na
you're
si
saying.
Sara.
Parang lost in translation yun.
No, I don't think it was a big.
Yeah, tingin ko parang
There
lost
was
in
a dig.
translation
It's
yun.
important for majority of
You're not
Hindi
subtle
naman
enough.
45%. Grabe yung 45%
There was a dig
the speech.
about the
Look at how much
laptop.
she discussed about anything related to education.
Siyempre, sabi nga ni
Tell me how
Patrick,
does
sabi ni
it
Patrick
affect Sara?
ang target niya rito yung masa.
Masa target niya.
Subtlety? You're talking about subtlety?
it was a
Tingin mo
subtle dig.
yung gano'n, na makukuha ng tao yung
Masa,
gano'n
hindi.
Well,
subtlety.
he had a subtle dig on
the
rule
digs-
of law. Sabi niya, in 3 years, mas
the
marami
digs-
kami nahuling
the
droga
digs-
kaysa 6 years ni Digo.
Well, the digs are for
Hindi
people
sila
like
sanay
you.
na tayo ang nagda-dominate. Ayan mo itong mga For the first time tayo ang dominate.
There was a dig. There was a dig.
I saw one.
There was a
Sumapit
dig
siya
about the
kami.
laptop.
Tayo na
There
sa
was- Exactly!
I'll give
There
you
were
that.
dig.
Pero
There was
one
a
dig.
dig.
Sagot ko na yun.
ibalik ko na.
Medyo obvious naman kasi
It was a
yun.
dig.
Tama yun.
Mamaya, sundutin natin.
It was a dig. Which is their BBM way of doing things.
It's a dig para masaya ka naman.
Hindi, it was for the 100 million.
There was one dig about the laptop.
No, there was a dig also na
That's
in
what I picked up.
3 years, mas
Alam
marami
niyo, habang
nahuling
pinag-usapan
droga
ito
kaysa
sa
6
isang
years ng dating
isa
administration.
pinagawa yun.
That was dig.
Habang
Hindi mo
nausapan
dig.
ito.
I'll tell you what was the biggest dig. Torre! Right? The way he was made the man of the hour was a dig at Baste and Duterte. That was a dig for me.
I don't think he's
that was a
smart
dig.
You
enough
guys
to...
don't come
Pero
on,
yung
guys.
mga sinasabi
It
mo,
was a dig.
education, ako nga hindi ko na-miss ko nga yun.
kasi nagugay.
Kasi hindi para sa akin.
Oh,
Hindi yun ang gusto natin marinig eh. Hindi yun ang gusto natin marinig. But I think in that sauna he spoke to majority Filipinos.
So he was effective in that sense.
Yeah.
Yes, Exactly.
Because he was talking to...
I'm saying,
the-
but
He
yeah.
started by complaining na he didn't talk
Parang
about
nila-
ICC.
Parang nila naman effective.
Ron said, hindi ano daw,
Parang
ano
nila
kami,
naman
parang
effective.
masyado daw ako impressed.
Di niyo pa kayo nakita yung Okta survey.
Ayun. O, tingnan natin. Abangan.
Did you know na nagte-trending si Pinoy when he was talking?
I was telling him.
Ah, okay.
And for what reason?
Because echoes of Pinoy daw.
The
pero si-
Tagalog
Yung Tagalog,
speech.
tapos yung when he said,
oh.
mahiya naman kayo,
Oh,
is
hindi
something that
Tagalog,
Pinoy said din
oh.
daw.
But there's something how would you call this? There's something about saan mo ginagamit yung mga katagang mahiya naman kayo? Saan mo ginagamit yung katagang mahiya naman
Gising ka na
kayo?
by that time, Sir Ronald? Yung,
When is it
Gising ka
used?
na by that time.
Pinagalitan
As an
nila.
expression, Ronald.
Medyo, wag naman.
As an expression, saan mo ginagamit yan? And what situation?
Siyempre sa mga politiko. Yun yung sinasabi mo, mahiya naman kayo. Ang problema, yung mga tinatarget niya, nag-standing ovation.
Hindi! Nakita mo yung kamay? Gumaganon.
Oo.
Yung tip lang yung gumaganon.
Ang sinasabi ko, what I'm trying to
Gumaganon.
what I'm trying to say is that normally in conversation, yung idiomatic expression ng mahiya naman kayo, parang ginagamit mo yan pag wala kang balak gawin. You don't plan to do it.
Madaan ka sa iya.
Curb your
Promising in lieu of
That's
threatening
okay.
directly.
That's a subtle reading. That's a good subtle
Ito
reading.
na naman
In
si
fact,
Hassel eh.
na parang
Deconstructing.
Mayan naman kayo. Tama na yun. Yung gano'n. Mayan na kayo.
Mahiya na nga kayo,
Hindi siya
subtle
ganun,
pa.
Hindi yung tumigil kayo.
Yeah, actually, that's the right term. Tumingil kayo dapat. Yung
Which
maya
is
kayo is
something
parang,
Digong would have
I
said.
think, yeah, I think.
yung parang subtle ka pala.
Pero in the yung
Whether
third party.
whether it was conscious or not, hindi ko na alam. Pero,
Pero yun ang dating.
conscious yun.
But that's
pero
alright.
for the first time, agree si Ronald.
Agree ako doon. Oo.
Agree ka
Gising ka na by that
Oo.
time.
Agree ako doon
Wishful
na pag
thinking.
sinabi mo mahiya ka,
That's,
hanggang doon na lang. Mahiya ka
hanggang
na
doon
lang. Oo.
And also,
Although sinabi niya,
also-
ipapa-audit sa DPWA.
Oh, yun. Tama yan.
also the
Pero
fact
ang
that
nag-approve kasi niya kasama sa ang
kaya
DPWA.
nga eh. And also the fact that puro third party, no, kayo, them, they did it. Parang, you could have gone more direct, I think.
On what? On the flood control issue and
On
all
everything,
that?
on corruption, especially. Puro kayo.
Insertions.
Parang walang names. It's nameless. Nameless
ito
people.
yung
Sino yung
pundit
kayo?
natin.
Sino yung kayo na
Hindi lang.
yan?
You were not happy with the speech.
Well, it could have been much better. No?
Ayun pala eh.
Yun lang naman sinasabi
Ayun
ko.
pala.
Na dahil hindi nag-enumerate ka na nagawa mo. May checklist ka ng mga gagawin mo. It's the usual SONA speech, no? Eh yung mga promisang mga nung past two SONAs hindi mo nagawa eh. Yung dudurugin ng mga kartel, ang mga smuggler at saka hoarder, sila ang nakulong. Tapos ngayon dudurugin mo yung mga flood control. Sana man lang meron kang ginawa para i-highlight mo.
Anong gusto mo yung parang sa El Salvador na ilalagay nila yung mga kriminal dyan? Yung gano'n? Yung nakaban na papasok nila gano'n sa
Magkano
likod?
ngayon
So that's a good suggestion, no?
Magkano
Sa
ngayon
next
ang
SONA, nakaganon yung mga
basang isang
kriminal.
kilo ng rice sa Nueva Ecija, 5 pesos. Ibig sabihin, durug na durug ang magsasaka. Because of these
Yeah.
cartels.
Yeah.
So dapat man lang,
3
i-highlight mo
years
yun.
na.
If I
Exactly.
were him,
He's been
maglalagay ako ng
promising
20
years.
dyan na mangingisda. Itong ibig sabihin nung sinabi ko last SONA. Ito yung West Philippine Sea.
I delivered.
Cases. Ito yung sinasabi ni Justice Remulla,
Agree.
ni Secretary John Vic, na biktima ng extrajudicial killings. 20. At dahil dyan, sasama ako sa ICC. Babalik kami sa
Huli na
ICC.
drama.
So parang markang papel.
Mamarka
Walang
yung SONA mo. Mamarka, hindi
Doon,
mo
maging
kakalimutan.
relatable na siya.
Pero
Hindi mo kakalimutan yan, no?
Yeah, I agree with
Whether
you.
ikaw ay talagang tumuloy o hindi is another thing.
Well, Ronald,
Oo.
parang aren't you asking him to be somebody na hindi naman siya?
Well, pag ikaw ay presidente, kalahati ng karakter mo ay yung ano yung hinihingi
Persona.
ng bansa. Hindi ka dapat makontento. Hindi ka dapat makontento kung ano ka lang eh.
And also,
Yun yung hamon ng presidency.
kaya nga.
Yun yung hamon ng leadership. Diba?
Di ba he opened with,
Oo.
I know you people are disappointed. Nadismaya ang tao sa pamahalaan.
Okay,
So if you know
Pwede na
that,
election
Yeah.
if
result.
you know that, then what would you do
Halimbawa,
that's
last
dramatically
SONA,
different?
sabi niya,
right?
we are the highest growing economy in the region. Pero hindi nararamdaman ng tao. Sabi niya,
Inulit niya ulit. Yeah.
he practically never said anything about the economy. Ito sa SONA na ito.
Pero inamin niya kasi
Yan
hindi
yung
nagtitrickle down.
Kaya ibig sabihin, umiwas siya sa economy. Nagkwan siya, checklist.
ng mga
Achievements.
existing din.
Existing projects.
Existing services.
Tama si Patrick.
Which
Ito yung-
which the government should be doing
Hindi,
anyways,
ito nga,
right?
kaya
That's the
nga,
function.
di ba, sabi
available.
natin kahapon, ito rin naman ginagawa ng gobyerno eh. Ano yung out of the box? Ano yung different?
Okay, what's different is he said i-veto niya ang line items
Yun.
that are not aligned with NEP, which by the way, I want to point out is problematic in its own right kasi Congress has power of the purse, it has an oversight function.
Yes.
So what does that mean kung kunin ng executive yung buong function
Yes,
to decide
yes.
on the budget?
For 3 years
right?
kasi,
So that's not
yung,
exactly an answer.
yung NEP niya, hindi naman nasusunod eh.
Oh,
Binabago ng Congress tsaka ng BICAM.
Lalo na last year.
Pero isang tahimik siya. Yung proposal na gawing open ng BICAM.
Yeah.
Ba't hindi siya nagsalita ron?
Yun
Very
na nga.
compelling yun, very defining. At
Transparency.
parehas may bill ang Congress at saka Senate.
Oh.
Dapat siyang mag-claim nun eh. Akin ito.
Mm.
No, yung controversy ng GAA, ng budget last December, last January, aayusin ko.
Mm.
Ayusin ko.
From now on, the BICAM will be open.
Hindi ba yun ang tinumbok ng kanyang SONA kahapon?
Hindi sinabi yun. Wala
Kasi
siyang sinabi. Tungkol doon.
Sa budget. I mean, maybe
Oh,
not
yeah.
specifically about transparency dun sa BICAM,
Pero Patrick,
pero tinumbok niya yung budget.
It's a concrete
Oo.
bill eh.
Yeah.
Ano proposal dyan ng House at Senate. Dapat sabihin mo na, hindi siya abstract eh.
Mm.
It's concrete. So dapat ikaw yung pinaka-konkreto.
And-
Ako may gusto nito. Aprubahan nito.
And you're basically admitting that there is massive corruption. If sinabi mong that I'm gonna veto all these line items, right?
Or like I've heard the complaints
Which
of the
means
people.
it's problematic. So
Tsaka
you,
sinegue niya from flood control corruption
It's-
going
it's a-
into the budget.
It's a bold enough SONA speech within the bounds or limits of the presidential personality.
I call it polite
Pwede ba yun?
optimism.
Parang lagi ko sinasabi, character is destiny. Di ba?
Ikaw naman, naghahanap ka ng presidente na you want the president to be somebody he's not.
Oo, dahil ang presidente kasi has to
Statesman.
scale up eh.
yeah.
Kung ikaw ay yung dati lang na tao, ba't ka pa tumakbong presidente? Eh, laki ng problema ng bansa.
Oo.
You really have to scale up, di ba? Kung dati ay F1 races ang hilig mo, ngayon, lalampasan mo yon. Di ba?
Fighter jets?
Oo.
MRT.
Ano mas mabilis?
Hindi.
Fighter jet.
Hindi, gaya mo Ukraine, drones.
Drones.
Drones is the future, di ba?
Iron Dome.
Okay, speaking of that, what is your read of all of you itong mga brouhaha about actually my chance na magkaroon ng leadership change? The Cheese situation was not as solid. Tito Soto almost came within the striking distance of pulling off a coup de grace, but allegedly daw the president didn't
Alam mo,
go all in on that.
tatama sa kanya yan eh. Dahil,
Blue Ribbon Committee pa
nanalo
lang
si
eh.
Cheese Escudero,
Mm.
tingnan mo mga nilagay niya sa mga chairmanship ng committees.
Blue Ribbon Committee.
Blue Ribbon,
Marcoleta.
sino babanatan ni Marcoleta? Yung presidente mo. Di ba? Yung mga kalyado ng presidente
Baka
mo.
ano na, may
Yun ang kuhanin mo, di ba?
compromise na.
May green light pa yung
Sino,
Malacanang.
sino ang head ng human rights?
Which Malacanang? Yun
Sino
ba
head ng
yung
human rights?
Is it this or that?
Di ba yan yung bumanat sa'yo nung pinahuli mo si Digong?
Alan
Diba?
Peter Cayetano.
Kaya
Alan Pitt, di ba yan yung nag-defend ng Tokhang sa United Nations?
Kaya bukso, so
Oo.
may basbas pa yun ng Malacanang.
Well, yung basbas kasi entails meron kang
Political will.
character, no?
Oh my God,
Parang
ang
gawin
daming
mo.
committee.
Ba't mo ako ituturo?
Let's just look at it. So, taga isang committee lang
Ibig sabihin,
si...
ikaw ay decisive at may political will at saka may leadership. Eh, ang sinasabi ng isa rito,
So,
wala,
hindi
wala pa siya ron eh.
So hindi
Wala
tumimbre
pa siya
si SP?
Ha?
Hindi tumimbre si SP sa taas?
Oo, pinag-usapan dyan, pinag-usapan dyan yung aking Senate presidency. Tsaka yung mga usapin sa chairmanship. No?
I mean, look at the chairmanship. At taga isa lang si Kiko and Bam. Cayetano has what? Four?
Four.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
four.
Robin Padilla has what? At least three or
Three.
four? Bongo also around three?
Tsaka Richard, tingnan mo, puro
this looks
conflict,
like
puro conflict of interest yan.
wala.
Tingnan mo.
Wala akong sinasabi na. Speaking of dig, wasn't that a dig? Come on, if you missed that dig,
Which one?
yung about the water and public, come on, if that was not a dig,
Yung with the camera pan to
exactly.
Camille.
I mean, let's be honest.
Digs nga. There's
Come
no doubt about the
on,
digs.
man.
But
There's
that was
some
not the
digs,
meat.
but I don't think the
Meat
whole
is not-
education
yeah.
part is a dig.
The digs versus the meat.
But
of the
remember,
speech.
you can have a post-Sona narrative building. He set the tone for the communication strategy of his team for the next 6 months
Yeah.
at least. Ito yung sinabi namin, Sona.
well,
Itong na-achieve namin. Kamusta naman achievement ni Sara Duterte? Something like
he
that.
has been
He's giving ammunition to his
he
team.
has
That's
been
good.
on this tone, this direction since yung admission ng failure from that last performance survey and also the last senatorial election. So there has been a palpable shift in direction, in communication, and all that.
Both ways and
I
means and
don't think
accounting.
so. May palpable shift, may palpable shift
Kita ko yung
ba?
thought bubbles mo.
Oo,
Yan,
communication.
conflict of interest.
Oo.
Oo, nakita ko yung thought bubbles mo.
You
Sabihin
mean
mo na.
when
Sabihin mo na yung thought
Dave
bubbles mo.
Gomez
Wag
came
lang thought
in?
bubbles.
No, not just Dave Gomez. I think
Conflict of
Foreign
interest.
relations.
Call a spade a spade.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Call a spade
I
a
think when
Okay, wait,
when
wait.
Vince Neeson came in, that's
Only
when.
when Vince came in.
Yes.
But Vince is his own person.
Yeah, but I think
That's
there's a
not
lot of
the comm
influence.
strategy.
I think there's a lot
right?
of influence. Number
So-
one, Vince when he first came in.
Yeah, because
Pero
Vince
usapan
is
natin,
media savvy.
low-hanging fruits.
yung mga nagtuturo-turo sa MRT.
Oo, mabilis na yun.
Before
Suddenly,
you know
he's
it,
very visible.
Before you know it,
Oo.
pati si First Family nag-MRT.
Oo.
So I think
Pero
there's
wala-
been a shift.
Pero napansin,
2021 pa lang, pinag-uusapan
Pero
natin.
walang pumalakpak sa loob doon kasi obviously walang nagwa-MRT doon sa loob. Lahat mayaman sa parang ganda ng MRT 3-in-1. Lahat ito nagtingin na nag-MRT.
Pero nakarelate sila sa flood control.
Oy. Yung gumanon, yung ganon yung palakpak, yung sa tiniptik ng fingers, gumaganon.
Doon talaga, sabi nga ni Magalog, doon talaga siya na-dismaya eh. Natuwa na siya.
Mockery. Talagang galit na galit siya. No?
Doon siya
But my
nagalit.
question there is, ngayon mo lang na-realize? I mean, isn't this a long-standing problem? Isa ka pa. Sige,
Ayan na naman
Mr.
tayo.
Llamas, what would you like to say? Sige nga.
Hindi, ngayon lang nga na-realize.
Pero sumasakit na yung siko ko.
Ed, you wanna save the day? We're going in dangerous
Bakit ngayon
directions.
lang niya ina-address? Right? Ano yun? Wala na siyang, there's nothing bigger?
Sino?
Yun yung problema rito.
President Marcos.
Sinasagot mo yung sarili mong tanong eh, di ba?
So wala na. There's nothing else. Oh, you could have gone, sa bagay, I was gonna say impeachment, pero yun nga.
I mentioned kaya nga I start immediately, yun yung mga omissions na nakita ko na are big enough at least
Because
for me.
each SONA has a defining
Yeah,
narrative.
Right,
The defining
Yan yung
narrative
Mang
of this
Pandoy
one.
framework. Yan yung
Oo.
bangkang
Correct.
papel
Papel.
framework.
Correct.
Yan
This
yung
one
no to
is
wang-wang framework.
flood
Mga ganun ba,
control.
di ba?
There is a
Right.
framework here. I mean, to
Mm.
be fair, I think
Mm.
there is a framework. There is a deliberate, there's discipline in this zona.
So ano yung tema ngayon? Reenacted budgeting
You know, I think we need to appreciate also the position of a president, no matter what his character is, even if
True.
it's his destiny. Because once you get into that office, there are limits to the presidency.
After one
Then
week, Patrick, after
Diba?
1 week, ano maalala mo sa SONA? Yung last SONA, naalala mo, Pogos.
Oh.
Ban, total
Previous-
ban.
the
Ngayon,
previous
ano maalala
one,
mo?
ito yung-
After 1 week.
Yung mahiya naman kayo.
Oh.
Pero yun na yun.
Mahiya naman kayo because of the
makuha kayo sa,
control.
parang makuha kayo sa tingin yan eh.
Oh.
Basta ako si General Torre na nakaganyan kami at tinatroll na rin kami.
Actually, yun ang maalala ng tao. Yung bagong kampyon.
Exactly.
But it's interesting to wait and see because the word we're hearing from Congress, for example, is that the Speaker, Martin Romualdez, is open to promise an investigation. He said
On
he will
flood
open
control projects?
he will promise more transparency sa BICAM deliberations and all that. So let's see.
Dapat kasi
Let's
sinagot
see.
mo yung context going to the SONA. Ano yung context? The controversy on the GAA. The
Supreme Court.
impeachment of Sara. The arrest of Digong. Tapos, dahil hindi mo na ayos yung messaging mo, you were judged sa midterm, which is supposed to be a plebiscite on your leadership. A
walk in the park.
at Dapat a walk in
easy
the
yan.
park. Bumagsak ka. So, going there, ito yung sasagutin mo ngayon. Yung hindi mo na ayos.
At sinagot niya.
No? Di ba ba, GAA, yung pinag-uusapan natin. Open, transparent, participative budget. Di ba?
Oh,
Ito
pero
yung
Ronald,
Oh.
Ronald, going back to going back to results of the midterms, which are popular vote and all that. Sinagot niya. Kaya yung first part ng speech niya nung tinatamad tayo was all about rice, education, health.
Nakulang
Yung
kasi
last
daw.
part niya, I think yun yung for the consumption of us, our consumption, when he talked about the budget. Because honestly,
Yeah.
I don't think the ordinary Mang Pandoy or Juan de la Cruz is aware of how
Maybe
Patrick,
too
Patrick,
patronizing to
yung
the ordinary
enumeration,
folks. Maybe the ordinary folks also care
yung
about
enumeration mo
corruption
ng ginagawa ng gobyerno, I doubt kung yan ay mamarka sa masa. Dahil mahaba eh. Di ba mahaba yung enumeration
Grocery
mo
list.
eh. Yung absorptive capacity ng tao, ang hahanapin nila, pagkain.
Well, kaya nga,
Di
that's
ba?
why
Bigas,
it
sabi
worked.
niya,
That's why
bigas.
PhilHealth
Expand.
worked.
Wala kang binanggit sa sahod eh.
Pero PhilHealth,
Minimum
free health
wage.
services.
Halimbawa,
20 peso rice.
galit
Yeah.
na galit yung mga LGU. Kausap ko sila. LGU tsaka yung simbahan. E-gambling. Ang tinatamaan, mga estudyante. Dahil accessible sa kanilang cellphone ang e-gambling.
Or he said something on the gambling issue
Wala.
too, right?
E-gambling, wala.
Sabongeros,
Wala.
rather.
Sabongeros.
That's
different.
In
Just one
passing.
sentence about Sabongero. Indirect
So
pa.
that's the other thing. We
Yeah.
were expecting na
Yun din, hindi niya. Medyo may omission niya. Or at least suspension of
gambling, but he didn't touch it
So
because
that's why I
it's
started
too
with
difficult.
omissions.
If
Why?
you
Why is
ban
it-
it outright, then look at
Revenues.
At the very least,
the revenues, but
at the
also
very least, regulate it.
he's up against the big businessmen,
At the very
right?
least, regulate mo. Ba't yung mga kabataan na mabibiktima niyan?
Or temporary
That,
suspension
that would
pag-aralan.
have been something that would impact ordinary people. Yung
Oo.
because
Tapos
Napapapilis
papasalamatan
din.
ka ng
It's a-
simbahan.
it's a- it would have been a
Beta
popular
simbahan
vote.
eh.
Of course, of
Kausap
course.
ko dalawang governor, sabi nila, Sek, ang taas ng suicide dito. Sabi ko, sino? Kabataan. Bakit?
Because of
Yung
gambling.
gambling.
Oo.
May naku, by the way, may nabunan sa lumabas sa social media sa Facebook. During the SONA, may isang congressman nanonood ng isabong.
Nahuli na.
Sino yan?
Hindi lumalabas yung mukha eh.
Sino
Pero
yan?
nandun nanonood
Oh
siya.
my
At least yun
gosh.
has money to burn.
Kasi ano yun? Yung
Paano
may-ari
yung
ng
mga-
ano.
Is it his money?
May
Yeah,
matalikod eh.
At least your money.
Ano naman yan?
But yes, it's populist. It would have been a big
It would have been.
announcement.
Too bad.
Pero it's too difficult eh. So hindi niya nakayanan siguro yung industry lobbying. Right? It's a massive
you
industry.
split the
Hindi mo
difference
alam.
by
It's a
saying
huge
there's
industry.
like a temporary study
Gusto ba ng
suspension.
tao na
Temporary suspension.
i-ban yung isabong o yung e-gambling? Iba tayo
Oo.
Gusto ba ng taong i-ban yun? O
Hindi,
o
kaya nga,
higpitan yun?
suspension, monitoring, whatever, face, whatever.
Kasi baka
You're
mamaya,
splitting the difference.
baka mamaya, yun yung gusto nila.
Yung mga magulang ng mga bata gusto.
I
Mga
think it
magulang.
is it's a problem that resonates with the common pao.
Kasi hindi siya kagaya ng Pogo eh. Ang Pogo, ang daling,
Well,
ang daling gawing kaaway yung
Oo.
yung taga-ibang bansa eh.
Pogo,
It's easy to make
tayo
them
may
honest.
ayaw niya.
Oo.
Kasi wala na may epekto sa buhay natin yan. Pero yung
E-gambling,
e-gambling,
Pilipino
may
yan.
medyo may tama yan sa ordinary
Pilipino tatamaan yan.
Hindi lang medyo. It's malaki
whether
tama.
there's an actual number,
I mean, look
how
at
many percent are for it or against it, we don't know.
Look at the
We don't
endorsements
know.
that they get. It's the popular soap opera actors
Exactly.
and actresses.
Exactly.
Right? So
But-
malaki yung effect.
But aren't we treating the masa in a monolithic way? Marami ring masa na super
That's what we don't know.
pro-Duterte, na super read the Duterte line na dami ng droga, na walang kwenta tong gobyerno. So in a way, it's important for the president to talk about the human rights issues, to defend his ICC decision, to defend why there should be some sort of accountability on confidential funds. Ako, I don't read na like, these issues are just for these people. No,
Hindi, ang ganda
hindi
nga
naman
nun eh.
monolithic eh. The middle
Richard,
class is also not monolithic.
Richard, ang ganda nga nun eh. Dual purpose yun eh. Papaupuin mo yung mga pamilya ng EJK. Tapos
Kaya,
papatayuin
that's why
mo.
I agree with you on
Tapos
that.
sasabihin mo,
Doon
sasama tayo
mag-agree
sa
tayo.
ICC. Kinanto mo yung mga kalaban mo, yung mortal na kaaway
You
mo,
put
na
them
gusto
on the
kayo ipapatay.
defensive, yeah.
At the same time, ang bango mo sa Community of Nations, di ba? At cetera eh. Yun ang habol mo.
Hindi,
Tina-
dapat naman
States
talaga.
Zero.
Pero
Tinamaan mo.
ito-troll ka
Dapat
naman ng
naman
ano,
talaga.
ito-troll ka naman ng kalahati ng populasyon.
Hindi, kahit pa anong gawin mo, ito-troll ka eh. Kahit pa anong ito-troll ka eh.
Better try something
Oh.
and win over people, yung mga siguro pinks, progressives, yung mga undecided, yung mga medyo nalabuhan sa kanya. Because yung mga DDS, they'll never
Wala
vote for you.
kang
Burn ka na
makukuha
doon.
ron eh. Tapos na yun eh.
Tapos na yan, yung 20 to 40% na yan, wala na, burn
So-
ka na.
so
win the
basically-
60% consolidated.
Oo.
That's why some will care for human rights, some will care for impeachment issues, some will care for West
Some-
Philippines issues.
Some will care for
if
human
you can
rights.
give a little to each
Oo.
side, you might put a coalition together. That was his chance. But in defense naman of what Patrick is saying, I think the whole point of the president is, ayoko ng gulo, ayoko ng awat. I just want to serve people, give them food, give
Pero-
them needs, and let's move on. Please, tama na yan.
Pero,
That was the narrative. Right? That was the
linawin ko lang.
narrative.
Ah,
That's why I see where it comes
There's some
That's
humility.
That's why I agree with
there's,
you.
There's some humility in him
That's why I agree with
recognizing
you.
a shortcoming and a failure in trying to address it. I think it's, again, character.
Which actually
It's
some
within the
people may
presidential
appreciate
character.
na hindi mayabang na presidente na sabihin niya perfect siya. But you get saying, I think there's something to what you're saying. But I also see Ronald's point na actually he could also take the offensive and put some drama and make it more relatable to people if he puts a face to it. Victims of EJK, with the Sabongero victims, mga ganun.
Tama ba
Mothers
yung
of
Master
Sabongero.
Show?
Nai-imagine
Ed,
ko naman
tama ba yung observation?
It's a show!
Tama ba yung
It's a
observation
show!
ko na sinabi ni Richard na nag-agree siya sa akin?
Oo.
O na,
sabi
wala,
mo kasi,
kamali ako ng
Alam mo bakit?
pinaparinig.
Kasi sabi mo mag-disagree tayo. So I'm actually disagreeing with you by saying we agree with each other. So you see what I did there?
Yeah. I must be
Dialectical.
doing something wrong. Huh?
No!
I think you better change your opinion.
Sabi mo kasi disagree tayo, so I'll agree with you. Ikaw, you were talking about the language part. Sa tingin mo, did it make sense 97% Tagalog? Did he deliver it well in Filipino?
Hindi,
Pinapanatan niya.
nahihirapan siya eh.
Nabubulol
Sana
siya sa
nag-Taglish
tingin mo?
na lang siya. Hindi lang, bulol ako so I would know. Daig pa niya ako eh.
Wala ako.
Actually, nag-practice na
He
yun
was stuttering all over the place.
Nag-budget lang.
Hindi niya to.
He stutters even in English.
No, in
Okay.
English, he's a lot
He
better in
does.
English.
No, he does stutter in
He
English.
stutters too.
Ako, if anything, there was something that would
Ako nag-i-stutter.
rankle yung nakikinig na masa, there were some words he did not pronounce correctly. Mas yun yung napansin ko
If he
rather yung
stutters in
bulol.
English, he delivers it better stuttering in English.
Then
He-
stuttering
He
in
stutters with
Tagalog.
confidence in English.
Now we have a debate.
Iba pa rin yung...
Now.
para sa masa na nanonood.
Second part,
Para sa masa na nanonood, ordinary Filipinos na nanonood, they'd rather take it in Tagalog.
Yeah.
And you know, I just looked at our numbers from the coverage last year, from the coverage of the Sona. The numbers were pretty good.
Okay.
I mean,
So
people watched.
nag-resonate.
People
Nag-resonate.
watched.
I don't know
Yeah, we
about
have to
Ronald.
remember
Of
that.
course people watch.
I was watching.
No.
Yeah, you're sleeping.
Well, yeah, wait.
Because I think they it was a
Yung may mata kang
It
nilagay
was,
na shades. Yung
Kasi
may-
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Oh.
Ganun lang kasi
Of course. And of course, yung, as we were saying, the content of it was,
Yeah, para
geared
sa kanila,
towards
para sa
them.
kanila.
Kasi nga, they recognize after the midterms, hindi nag-trickle down all these economic
Yes.
gains that they're talking about. The average person doesn't feel it. Oh, nasa na ang inflation? 1.4% na. Where was
Where?
it when he started?
Where?
2022. 6.4%.
Six, oh.
That's massive.
Ah.
But why don't people feel it? Is the question, right? So how come the numbers say it's getting better, but
Price.
people
Is
don't
it a
feel
question
it?
of people
About
not
price.
feeling it or people not acknowledging it because they're busier with politics?
No,
They're not
feeling
feeling
it. They're not feeling it.
People are not feeling it. So yun eh.
It took a heavily subsidized 20 peso rice
In Cebu.
in Cebu and for his numbers, his satisfaction numbers to do better in that area, in the Visayas.
Pero,
I-
for example, yung inflation numbers niya were going down as early as last year. So that was before the 20 peso rise. Yung
well,
subsidies.
inflation numbers doesn't mean to say the prices are becoming more affordable. It just means to say that the
It's slowed down.
increases are
It's slowed
slowing down.
Pero,
It's still
pero
increasing.
That's
It's still
one
increasing.
indicator that's going right. May iba pang indicators that are going right.
Kasi hindi
But
talaga
like
mababa
what?
yung
Like what?
yung inflation. I mean,
the
Nahirapan.
FDI is okay.
Nahirapan.
Is it okay?
Investments are okay. PEZA investments are okay. So may pumapasok naman, okay, stock market is not doing great, but there are other
Yeah, but,
indicators that are
but
doing
We're
well.
still the
But
fastest
the question
growing in
is-
Southeast Asia.
Well,
Question is-
that doesn't say much because we have a lower base. But ako, I just want to ask about, for example, we were supposed to become high middle income.
Upper
No.
we
middle
missed it by
country.
$28, $27, $26.
But I think we missed it.
Parang 1%.
Right.
We're behind. And I think that's a better indicator of money in the pocket of people, Filipinos, rather than
Yeah.
FDI or investments
Jobs
in peso.
are lately medyo okay na rin.
yeah, unemployment is down.
May ito- Pero there are other indicators like self-rated poverty that are still high, for instance. Right?
Last February was
Yan
the
yung
highest
pumapasok. Oo,
in
dyan
the
pumapasok
past
yung
3 decades.
masses.
And the hunger
Yeah.
incidence.
hunger is high.
Involuntary hunger was 28% last March.
So hindi talaga nag-trickle down is what we can conclude from all of
But
this.
narratives matter,
That's
di
why
ba?
bumalik siya sa basics.
That's not control.
PhilHealth.
To trickle down.
PhilHealth, basic education.
Hindi nga siya trickle, flood na nga siya eh.
Di ba? Nag-trickle down na yun.
Sir Ronald, in a different show na hindi niyo ako pinasok dahil biglang pinahintay niyo ako ng matagal. Wala kayong flood control sa Baguio?
Wala.
Wala flood control sa Baguio?
Hindi
Wala
siya
daw eh.
binibigyan ng budget.
Wala daw eh.
According to
Drainage
Mayor
lang daw.
Malo.
Ang meron kami.
Ha?
Ako naman generally, I mean,
Ikaw, tiga Baguio.
I'm all for questioning corruption and all, and anomalies. The president admitted that there's some weird stuff. But I want us to put it always in a bigger context, including kamusta naman ang farm holidays, kamusta naman ang budget.
Yun.
But you say, this is what I'm saying, always narratives and facts have to be fused into something. Right?
Well, there's
if
such
it's
a thing
gonna
as
work.
There's such a thing as selecting the facts to support your narrative.
Yeah.
And
Or
if you
putting it in
other
a
facts
bigger
that don't
context.
support your narrative.
I
Bigger
agree.
context.
I
Pero
agree.
you're in the middle of an existential battle. Hindi mo
Iyan ang
pwedeng,
ano
hindi
niya.
mo pwedeng hindi banatan yung mortal
Bakit
mo kaaway.
Bakit existential? Itong
Dahil
advocacy niya.
dudurugin ka ng mga kalaban mo
And
na
you're-
nag-survive ng impeachment, more or less, no?
You're entering your lame duck
Yun,
years.
more or less.
Yan yung ka,
Ayan
no?
na.
Papasok ka ron. So, ito
Wala
mga
nang
kalaban.
less, more
Pag
lang.
wala kang sasabihin tungkol sa mga kalaban mo,
Ah.
in a frontal attack, ang titignan ng mga kakampi mo, uy,
Wala to.
time na para lumipat.
Oo.
Ang hina ng ating presidente.
Kaya nga.
Malabo.
Ang lumalakas, ang may momentum yung kalaban.
Lipat
No?
na tayo.
Na-survive yung impeachment, etc. Imagine mo yung kultura nitong mga cynical
Ito.
politicians na ito. Imagine mo yung
Parang the wind is blowing in
Pero to
different
Ronald,
direction.
don't you think all that Duterte's strength or base was dealt a singular blow by Baste na hindi sumipin? Medyo malaki tama nun, ha?
Totoo,
Mukhang giniba ang pangalan, ha? Giniba ang pangalan
yes
nun, ha?
and no.
May
Yes and
verb
no.
na nadabas.
Makikita natin sa
Oh.
surveys yan. Mga surveys na hindi ganun ka-accurate. Pero makikita natin yan, no?
So,
Feeling ko lang,
pero
parang...
tingin ko,
Parang may dig ka rin sa Ronald.
pag na-survive ni Kwan, it's not the population. It's not the population. I'm talking about. It's the politicians.
correct.
It's not the population. Yung
So-
politicians, pag na-survive ito ni Sarah, no, she gets momentum, not necessarily in the population, but in the people that counts, the politicians. No? The cynical politicians na gustong
More people are gonna
future nila
ally with
swingers,
her.
yeah.
2028.
Oo,
di ba?
suddenly, meron na siyang
Tapos
allies.
sabi nila,
ulit.
pwede i-refile next year.
Yeah.
No, yung impeachment. Come on. That's
Ronald,
2 years
Ronald,
before.
Ito, aren't you
2028.
just being stubborn? Because ito, si Ronald, ano pa yan eh?
Hindi, stubborn ka na.
Last year pa gusto niya file na kagad, impeach na kagad.
Oo,
Yun, hindi kaya nagiging hardline ka lang about this impeachment.
of course.
There are other
unrealistic about...
There are other things that
Of course, because itong kalaban mo, inaamin naman nila, hindi lang ipapa-assassinate ka. They will destroy you. There will be hell to pay.
kain pa yung ano ng
Diba?
ano.
Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganyan, na publicly sinasabi,
don't you have
I
any
will
faith
destroy you.
that they, meaning to say people in the admin, have their own game plan in which they are more confident that it will work?
Dahil nagkaroon sila ng faith kay Chis Escudero, I don't have faith in them.
Ayun.
No? Yun yung problema.
What
Diba?
the faith?
Nagkaroon sila ng
Grabe
faith kay
naman,
Chis.
That's
Nagkaroon sila ng faith kay
Nakakataas
Chis.
sila.
Hindi
That's
dignan.
harsh.
Oh, nasa
That's very
Marcoleta ang
masculine.
gagawin head
That's
ng...
very harsh.
Imagine mo, si Marcoleta ang gagawin mong blue ribbon to investigate yung boss mo. No? Anong faith na
You
pinag-uusapan
don't think
natin?
there's a bigger strategy behind it? Baka nag-compromise
that
sila.
works. That will work.
Nag-agree na
Kayo
sila
will
na.
work.
Kayo naman,
Masyado kayong believe sa mga grand strategy, grand strategy.
Hindi na kuweba. Sang multiverse kayo nakatira, di ba? Sang multiverse kayo, no?
Mahirap yung ganyan eh. Yung medyo QAnon level, there is
Oo,
something
diba?
behind what we see. Deep state.
Oo.
Baka may deep state strategy na hindi natin alam sa Ronald. May deep state.
Pansinin mo, yung defender ng Tokhang sa United Nations, ginawa mong committee, head ng human rights.
Wait
Tapos
lang,
yung,
oo nga, no?
Why
Medyo
would,
paisip.
teka lang, why would you
Oo
even
nga.
want that
di ba?
chairmanship, that committee?
Para depensahan yung mga kwan mo, mga
Ikaw ang
principal
chairman
mo.
ng-
Di ba? Lalo na, may parating na naman na international warrant.
Mm.
Di ba?
Yung isa pa.
Oh, gagamitin
So
mo yung
siya
committee
yung
mo.
magde-defend kay Senator
Of
Bato.
course, di ba?
Kaya ang tanong ko sa iyo, dumaan ba sa Malacanang to? Dapat hindi, di ba? Pero alam mo naman, dumadaan sa Malacanang yan.
Ang tawag ko dyan, presumptuous.
Ano?
Nagdumaan sa Malacanang. Habang nakakagulo rito, may mga forces at play
Sige,
na may
sige.
masamang balak.
Wala tayo, may oras pa ba? Sige.
May mga forces.
Okay.
Ang sabi, naglabas ng meme,
May 10 minutes.
no? We have crossed the Rubicon. Oo. Kung alam mo yung
Caesar
kasaysayan mo, ang ibig sabihin ng
Civil
crossing the
War. Medyo
Rubicon,
papuntang Civil War.
di ba?
Wala nang
Tumawid sa Rubicon.
Mhm.
Gano'n ba kalaki yung Rubicon? Maliit
Malaki.
lang. Maliit lang yun. Tumawid ka sa Rubicon
Anong season kasi?
at inabolish mo yung gobyerno sa Rome.
Yeah, Civil
That
War
was
na yan.
2,000 years ago.
Buhay ka na nun.
Yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Hindi, kainuman ko ng lolo ko si Julius Caesar eh. Hindi siya naniwala. Sinabi ng lolo ko. Sabi ng lolo ko, sa March, sasaksakin ka.
Sabi niya, Mark Antony ang ano mo,
sa
March
March,
mo.
ayaw maniwala. Ayun, patay.
Ito, Brutus.
Okay, balikan natin to.
Ito.
Meme lang yung what Rubicon are they talking
Hindi,
about?
it's a meme. Kung
Okay,
yung
what-
mga nagsabi ay hindi mga ex-generals. It's a meme kung alam mo na may mga mayors na kasama dyan.
Pero
diba?
bakit to?
Okay, what is the Rubicon? Ano yung Rubicon?
Hindi, ang hinahanap, dati kasi,
Rev Gov, they're pushing
ang
for Rev
hinahanap
Gov.
nila is the failure of our institutions. We're almost there.
Okay, what is the
No?
Rubicon? Itong Supreme Court decision,
Senate,
budget,
So we're in constitutional crisis.
control,
Yeah.
no,
Basically,
yan. Yan yung
you're
hinahanap
saying
nila.
we're in consi crisis.
Eh, hindi ko
Yeah,
sinasabing
work
magaling
lahat.
sila.
Hindi na nag-agree.
Hindi ko sinasabing matalino sila. Hindi, wala akong sinasabing ganun. Pero naghahanap sila ng trigger na para sa kanila is enough to
Right.
cross the Rubicon.
Pero ang dami na
No?
kasi mga ex-generals na
Nag-try.
may ingay,
Nag-attempt.
na sumusulpot every now and then to air their...
Nakailang kudeta na yung bansa natin? 19. No?
Hindi nga
Karamihan
natin
dyan,
alam, ilan yung
karamihan
19
dyan,
ano
nandun
pala
si
eh.
Edlin Gao. Kino-cover niya. No? Kaya alam niya
Karamihan
first
nun,
hand.
ikaw
Diba?
nag-instigate.
Oo. Most of them
Ilan doon
failed.
ikaw nag-instigate?
Most of them failed. Pero a failed mutiny, a failed coup can be as damaging as a successful
That's
one.
true.
Because-
Yun ang sinasabi ko. Kahit
Instability.
misguided yan, kahit mali yung basa nila sa objective condition, no? Iba ang kanilang mundo eh.
Pero i-contextualize lang, how serious is this group? In
Oo nga, that's
terms
the
of the
question we need to
composition,
ask.
in terms of the
Ay, wouldn't know. Hindi naman ako kasama eh.
Wait,
Hindi
sino
ako
ba to?
kasama.
Why are we even talking about?
Pag sumagot ako dyan, baka ma-implicate pa ako, di ba? Eh, yung isa dito, naghihintay na implicate ko yung sarili ko eh.
No, okay,
Hindi mo naman sinagot,
so,
ilan yung
okay.
ikaw
So
nag-instigate?
what's next? What's next in terms of those who want the impeachment to still proceed? Refile next year, People's Tribunal,
Hindi ko.
motion for
Malabo
reconsideration.
na yung
Game over.
pag-refile. Ang
Game over.
hahanapin dyan, itong MR.
Mm.
Ano sinasabi ng MR, yung basis for the dismissal is
May
based
factual
on
infirmities.
non-factual evidence. So,
Kausap
yun
mo
yung lalabas, no?
But you're expecting the Supreme Court to agree that we missed out on the facts. You think they're going to do that?
Unanimous siya.
Correction. Sinasabi ko lang, yung mga magka-file. Expecting these honorable men, no, to reverse themselves, iba yun. Ako, I doubt that very much.
Men and women, excuse me.
Isn't there
Men and
a
women.
bigger chance for things to move forward if, for example, the new ombudsman initiates an impeachment and thereby summoning the bank records, which he's allowed to do?
Of course. That's a lot of moving parts eh. No, maraming mga mangyayari.
Isn't that a better option for those
Mangyayari.
wanting to
Easier
see,
option.
ano, ha?
Oh, pero kung lang yun, basically expose and oppose.
Mm.
Ang gagawin ng ombudsman, dahil under niya ang SALN, imbestigahan ko ang bank
May hawak
accounts
ng waiver na
dahil
yan eh.
kasama ito sa aking function sa pag-observe ng SALN. No? Meron lang isang tao na magsasampa na, oy, itong SALN, itong Vice President, may problema. O, sabihin ng ombudsman, sige, imbestigahan ko. At kasama sa aking powers ay hingin sa lahat ng branches of government, including AMLA, yung mga ebidensyang ito.
If the ombudsman wants.
Pero,
That's really
impeachable
the big
official
one.
yan.
Oh,
Hindi na
if they
matatanggal.
want.
Yeah?
Mm.
Kaya nga, itong next few weeks, makikita natin kung sino na
we'll find
ombudsman.
out.
So isn't that a
ibig-
better alternative or
An easier
course
one,
of
too.
action for the administration?
Well,
Theoretically.
tapos
Or
na yung
plan B,
impeachment mo
more
eh.
like
Kaya
a
nga,
best
Hindi,
plan.
kung natuloy yung impeachment, that's the best alternative. Pero dahil nga hindi matutuloy, kahit sinasabi ng mga senador na pro-dismissal, sasabi nila, hindi, tutuloy namin dahil kami ay equal branch of government. Diba?
Isa lang
alam mo
naman
naman,
yan.
alam mo naman,
Isa lang
ume-epa
yan.
lang. diba?
Nagsabi nun eh. Isa
Alam mo
lang
naman,
yan. Nagsabi
ume-epa
nun.
lang. Alam naman nila. Nagtulak siya ng dismissal tsaka remand. Tapos ngayon, sasabihin, itutuloy namin dahil equal branch kami, di ba?
Pero
Oo.
if only to move, if only to shift the political landscape in another direction, wouldn't that be the easier thing to do?
Hindi, yan kasi ay mangyayari whether ito ay matuloy o hindi. Yun naman sinasabi
It
ko.
will happen anyway.
Gusto mo dalawa.
It will happen anyway.
Those are two different
Oh.
things.
Hindi, gusto niya kasi sabay eh.
Kayo kasi
Kaya
gusto nyo sniping eh. Ako gusto ko disabog. No, yung talagang lahat tamaan. Pati si Richard tamaan. No?
Wait lang, may kausap akong justice. Kasi, nagdasado eh. Jurisprudence.
Kaya nga, so now we have new
Yung doc-
jurisprudence. May bago ng jurisprudence.
Yun nga yung idea eh. Sabi
Ito
nga
na
niya,
yung
nag-time
bagong
travel na biglang iba yung doctrine retrospectively.
Linaw sinabi ni Ascuna eh. Teka, parang sinabi niya na gentle way.
Oo.
Ang alam ko kasi
legal
yung,
but unfair.
ang alam
Legal
ko
but
kasi,
it's unfair.
ang alam ko kasi
Yeah.
ang batas proactive
Oh,
eh.
it's
Hindi
legal but unfair.
retroactive.
Yeah.
Nagpo-propose ka ng pagbabago sa Article 11 ng Konstitusyon about impeachment. Ba't mo gagawin ngayon?
Oh.
Gawin mo in the
This is
future,
for
no?
Justice
Sabi ni Chief
Ascuna.
Justice Panganiban,
Yeah.
sabi niya, anyari, ba't ang bilis?
Oo, dapat may
Ba't ang bilis?
oral argument sana, clarification of facts of the
Nakuha mo yung
case.
sagot ng Congress,
Chief
Sabado.
Justice din yan eh. I mean,
Sabado.
that's not a
By
small...
Friday.
Sinulat mo yung 97 pages, dinistribute mo sa mga kasama mo sa Supreme Court, nag-deliberate kayo, allegedly. Friday, meron ka na? Sabi ng mga Chief Justice mismo.
Oo, Panginiban.
Parang-
This is Panginiban,
Parang
yeah.
hindi nangyayari yan.
But also,
Oh.
that was the week na
Unless-
binagyo tayo.
Unless pinagawa mo sa ChatGPT.
Oh. Teka lang, that was also
97 pages.
That was the week
Posible yun, ha?
that was the week na binagyo tayo. Wala silang session.
Yan nga.
Tapos,
One
nag-special
week.
Baka maraming
unbound.
oras sila.
1 week na walang
That's
pasok.
true. That's also
Diba?
true, no? Baka maraming oras. kasi
Alam mo,
wala.
Yung
alam mo,
doctrine
alam
of
mo,
prospective
alam mo, ang
overruling
mga
talaga,
justices,
yeah.
98% ng ganyan, pinapagawa nila sa staff nila.
Yes.
Yung staff nila hindi pumasok, saan mo papagawa? Oo.
Work from home.
Oh.
That's
Tapos,
true. That's true,
panghuli.
no?
Panghuli.
Paralegals are one of the jobs in
Panghuli.
danger.
You are an impeachable person. Bakit mo babaguhin yung rules na sa impeachment, while you are an impeachable person, di ba kanyan? Clear conflict of
Yeah.
interest.
So-
Di ba yan, talaga? No? Parang minimum delikadesa man lang. Ba't mo inihigpitan yung rules sa impeachment? Eh, ikaw ay impeachable person.
You forget.
Mm.
You forget what
Forgetful talaga ako.
Toby Tiangco said to us.
Mm.
Ayaw naman talaga ni President Marcos na impeachment.
It doesn't
To begin
matter.
with.
Doesn't matter what he likes,
Mm.
no. Sana man lang yung Supreme Court, which is one of the more stable, beautiful institutions we have, no. Parang
It
yung
was that,
beautiful,
Donald
beautiful
Trump?
Are you
bill, no.
suggesting
Was that-
Are you suggesting they're not
Dapat
independent?
man lang, guard your flanks. Hindi
That's-
lang yung factual
What are you
basis, di ba?
implying here?
Oh.
That's a very bold assertion to make.
O, di,
Na
dahil
hindi sila
dahil
independent.
hindi ako abogado, hindi ako madidisbar.
6 months community service yan.
Oo,
At 3,000 pesos.
Akala ko 10,000. 3,000 lang ba?
Indirect.
Ay, di ba? Banata ko na. 10,000 lang
Hindi
eh.
ka kasi
Kala
abogado
ko
eh.
10,000 eh.
Pwede yung pasok dyan eh.
Pina-forward sa akin,
Pwede ka ba
3,000.
isibihin
6
yan?
months community service.
Sino ba kachat mo dyan?
Oh, pwede
Yung
bang
mga justices.
pwede bang retroactive? No, for decades na
Yung
akong
doctrine of
community service
prospective
eh.
overruling.
Wow.
Oh,
Pero
prospective.
may precedent din yan eh. The Supreme Court has in the past also ruled to change the rules. For example,
But it retrospective, retroactive
no,
Hindi siya
applies.
retrospective.
Hindi. Retrospective din. For example, yung the party list applicant to party list law. Midway binago niya lahat.
Ah,
May mga
2013.
disqualify.
Short of justice.
The same goes with the same goes with the rule on early campaigning.
Yeah.
Binago rin niya
So-
ang
so-
definition.
so-
Hindi, pero nangyari
Pero
kasi
hindi
yan
sila
before the
impeachment
election eh.
cases.
Nangyari yan before the
and
election.
they're not
Kaya yung sumunod na
impeachment cases
election, pinapasok na yung ibang
But,
mga
yeah, exactly. It's a different
non-marginalized, no?
universe eh.
Oo.
That's a good point. But actually, we're talking about impeachment precedents.
Mm.
Parang you're changing the rules
So
of an
again, you
impeachment.
can
you are
change the
impeachable person.
jurisprudence.
Based on that
Kasi
precedence.
tumatakbo na eh, no?
Exactly.
And you are an
Correct.
impeachable person.
Oh,
Hindi ka
election
pa-
kasi yan.
hindi ka
Pero
party list
that was a good
candidate.
point you raised, Bok. That was good.
Well, I raised that kasi, taking it from Adolfo Ascuna, sabi nga niya, it's legal. What
Because the law is a
Because
living
it's the Supreme
thing.
Court, di
It's
ba?
just
Yes, that's what it
unfair.
is.
And the law is a living thing.
It's a living
Right?
body, yeah.
But the question here is, did you just change? There is existing jurisprudence.
Yes.
Did you
That's
change
Francisco
it?
versus HOR.
Yeah,
Oo,
you
did,
did.
or did you not?
Yun yung
based
sinasabi
on-
ni Ascuna. No? Usually kasi ang mga former justices, especially former chief justices, tumatahimik.
Oh,
Pag may
pero for
mga ganyang
Panginiban to
kontra
come
sila,
out,
binubulong na lang nila sa inuman.
Yeah.
No? Dito, public sila eh.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, there's something terribly wrong with that decision.
But honestly,
But-
ako, I don't
come
agree.
on,
People
it's-
going attacking persons. Like,
Yeah.
we have a few, you look at the progressive justices like Leon, and again, just because we're both from Baguio,
Ponente siya, siya yung
Ponente
nagsulat.
siya. I mean, I think the personal attack against him are uncalled for. I mean, you may be disappointed with, but I think it's not gonna help. He could be the next Chief Justice, and then you're trying to alienate him and all of that, and attacking him. I don't know. I don't agree with friends doing that. I understand their frustration, but wag mo naman yung personal na attack na yan. Pwede maging Chief Justice yan. Progressive.
ano ngayon?
He could be on...
Kaya ngayon, kung magiging Chief Justice siya,
Ready
kung
ka na
mali
sa
siya.
6 months mo, confirm ko na
Mali siya.
Pero what do you think of
That is the
Galit na.
same justice na dinepensahan si Digong sa pag-alis sa ICC na hindi na raw dadaan sa Senado. Kaya hindi ako, not surprised, no? Not surprised, no? Dahil, kung naman yan eh. No?
Magpasalamat tayo. Wala ka Ronald Llamas
hindi naman talaga progressive yan eh. No?
Thank you so much.
Yan ang
Ronald.
very progressive. Yan, wrap
Thank
up.
you very much. That was beautiful, beautiful. That was beautiful.